what up? It's been a while, but here we are again. Hopefully I can stay a little consistent this time, just because it's a little, I don't know, like, not late, I guess lazy. It takes time from me doing other things, editing and grabbing the GoPro or camera, whatever it is, to film. Like sometimes, well, I'm gonna explain why I don't really vlog and stuff like that, just because it takes time for you to stop doing something, pick up a camera, record, and explain and all that stuff. So it does take longer. A 15-minute job, 30-minute job takes longer than that, because you got to grab it, stop, explain what you're doing, blah blah blah. So sometimes I don't have patience to do that. I just want to hurry up and get it done. But anyways, hopefully I can stay consistent this time. I feel like I always say it's an exciting one, but there's a lot of things that have changed. I got rid of a few cars, trying to make space, headaches, projects, you know, so I got rid of a few cars. I'll explain that later. But we're gonna go pick up a new car today, and for this one I'm very, very excited. Like, it's obviously probably one of my favorite cars, if not my favorite. But it has a really, really good, cool engine in it. Pretty damn fast. But I'm gonna go pick up Boombox real quick. He's gonna go with me. We got an hour and 30-minute drive. Hopefully traffic isn't too bad. It's 7, so hopefully traffic calmed down already, and I get there a little faster. And I'll show you guys when we get there. It'll probably be in the title, but I'll show you guys when we get there. Hopefully you guys are excited like me. But let's go. We're almost there, 15 minutes away. We're in Vegas. We got the box man over here. Time to gamble. We're gonna put this car title on the line, but it's super dark over here. Kinda didn't want to come at night, but during the day LA traffic is horrible, so just decided to suck it up. We brought up a few flashlights. He has one, I have one from Harbor Freight, and then the guy said there's plenty of light where he's at, so hopefully we can see it okay and we don't miss a important detail or something. But oh, spam. But let me turn off the lights so you guys can see. It's dark, so like we're literally in the middle of nowhere. It's gonna be a barn find. Hopefully this guy's pretty cool with me recording. So here it is, my new car. What do you think?
It's pretty badass. Not your average Cobra.
Another 2003 Cobra, but 40,000 miles. Super clean inside and out. Super, super clean. Dirty because it rained. But, oh man, am I happy. If you can see my face through this mask, I'm smiling under here. Happy as hell. 91. But man, it's a little dark, so I'm not gonna show you guys what's under the hood, but this thing is badass. Ho. We're a little far from home, so we're just gonna keep driving. I'll probably update you guys on the halfway there, see how it performs. I mean, but it's really, really smooth, so it should be fine. We're out of here. So happy. Everything's original on the inside. Pretty crazy, but cool. 30 minutes into the drive and we have traffic. It's like 10:30 at night and we have traffic. Can you guys believe it? There's always something going on in California. Always traffic. It don't matter. Cobra's doing well. Nothing funny so far. No overheating. Everything seems good. Hopefully we make it home. I gotta make it to the E85 gas station. It's only on E85, so I'm gonna stop somewhere around Irwindale and just fill up and go home. Hopefully this traffic clears up, man, because I'm a little tired. First fill up. Let's see how much it takes. Probably like 30 minutes away from home. So let's transfer away. She's a fucking animal. Gotta love the 85 prices. Full tank, 36 bucks. Hell yeah. 30 minutes away from home. We're almost home. She's doing great. Let's go. Did I say I was in love with this thing? Oh man. Hopefully the camera picks this up. I'm gonna do a little, I'm not even gonna do a pull, just like a minor 30% throttle. Hopefully the GoPro captures that, but she's fucking mean. Fast fucking car. We have a new MK5 in front of us. We'll see if they want to play a little bit. I really don't like going around traffic like this. Seems like he's trying to get away going around traffic, but if it clears up, I'll get next to him. If he doesn't, then I'm gonna let it go. I don't want to swerve around traffic to try and get a little fun run, you get me? We'll see. I'm gonna try and get next to him. Probably like 6 minutes away from home. She made it home perfect. The AC's on, temperature's perfect, everything is good. I don't know what to say. I'm really happy with this thing. I'll probably go ahead and continue this video tomorrow and show you guys the car during the daytime, and then do a separate video doing like a full walk around and all that stuff. But really happy with this thing. Sadly I couldn't get the Supra next to me, but it's okay. We'll get another car in probably in the next few videos next to us and see what she could do. But we'll continue this video tomorrow. We're home. What's that in front of me? We'll leave that for another video too. It's the next day. She's filthy. I'm not gonna take her to the gym just because I don't have it insured. I'm gonna go to the gym real quick, and then I'm gonna come back, wash it, call the insurance place, and get it done. But I'm gonna go to the gym in this thing real quick. It's a little Jeep Wrangler Sport. I'm not gonna lie, this thing is pretty fun. Super nice. Got my stuff right here. Throw it in here. I'm gonna bring my gym bag real quick, but super cool. Like a little bikini top. Cool. But yeah, let's go to the gym, come back, watch that, and show you guys the car more. But look at the interior. 40,000 miles. Pretty damn clean. Ignore my hat back there, but super clean. Even the original radio. Wheels super nice. Man, this is a car to keep. You already knew it. Traffic everywhere. Gotta get out of this place. So, just finished washing her up. She cleaned up pretty damn well. You guys can check her out. She looks really good. I didn't do the inside. The inside wasn't that bad, so I left it alone. What do you guys think of the new car? You see, the interior wasn't bad. It was clean. It was just the outside. The guy said he was away from home, so it rained a bit and that's where it got dirty. But let me show you guys what you guys want to see. I like a quick peek of it. You guys see? After I show this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. I'll do a full review on the next video or something. But here it goes.